Hi, today we are going to look at dividing x cubed minus x minus 6 by x minus 2. We'll start off with the first polynomial, x cubed. And there is no x squared term, so I'm going to leave some space and then write x minus 6 a little to the right of that. We are going to use long division to divide this by x minus 2. First thing we're going to do is find out what we can multiply x by to get x cubed. And x times x squared will give us x cubed. Next step, we'll take this x squared and multiply by the binomial. X squared times x is x cubed, and x squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. In the next step, what we'll do is we will subtract this by changing the signs. X cubed minus x cubed, thus cancel out, giving us 0. And we are left with 0 plus 2x squared, which is 2x squared. Now we'll repeat this process. Once again, x times what is equal to 2x squared, and that would be positive 2x. Once again, multiply 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. I did forget to mention, before multiplying, we needed to bring down the next term, which was minus x right here. Again, what we'll do next is subtract, change the signs, and of course the first term will cancel out, leaving us with positive 3x, since negative x plus 4x is 3x. Bring down the last term, which is minus 6, and repeat the process. X times what is 3x? That would be positive 3. And multiply. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. At this point, when we subtract by changing the signs, we will see that all of it cancels out, leaving us with a remainder of 0. Therefore, x cubed minus x minus 6 divided by x minus 2 leaves us with a trinomial of x squared plus 2x plus 3. I hope that was clear. Thank you.